We'll start our session next 1 minute. Please wait. Let's get started. Let's get started. So today we are going to have introduction for first 10 minutes. Then proceed for installation. Tomorrow we are going to start with SQL concepts, the basics of SQL tomorrow, about 10 queries. And day after tomorrow about 30 queries in the class. And you have assignments from today itself. Every day you have assignments. You will submit them before the next class, or max by weekend you will submit on our website. After SQL basics, we start MS SQL concepts. So SQL first, MS SQL next, and then we'll continue with our actual TSQL and project orientation activities one by one. Things are a bit lengthy, need your support. Let's get started. First, let's step into the introduction. Let's understand what is database, why we need it. Let's understand the purpose of database and how to implement it. Let's slowly get started now. I assume we're all very new to our subject, right? We'll start from the scratch. Please confirm everyone, please. Mic with you all. We'll start from the scratch, everyone. Please confirm. I'll wait.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes.
Fine. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sure. Need your support.
Yes,
You will practice on time. First thing. Number two, you will respond to the questions. Participants who respond more will always get more and more. Notes is common for everyone, but the level of assignments and the number of assignments, number of questions in each assignment purely depends on our rapport. Really, you're hearing it right. It depends on our care on the subject. I want you to do your best. I'll do my duty carefully. Let's get started. This is Sai Fanidhar from SQL School. I assure you complete practice orientation from scratch, right from the basics. And today, let's have a small intro on what is database, and then I understand some minor background sound. I'll mute that mic. Yes. Thank you. Thanks for muting there. Let's continue. And let's get started. What is database? A platform to store any type of data. A platform to store any amount of data, no exceptions. To operate on this database, today we are going to install a software called DBMS. We are going to install one software called DBMS. It's a software to store, secure, manage databases like SQL Server, IBM DB2, MySQL, Oracle, etc. And one such DBMS we are going to implement today, SQL Server. Cheaper, easy to use, free technical support and free updates. Let's see how to install SQL Server. Once we install SQL Server today, then from tomorrow, we are going to slowly start our operations. Let's observe carefully. Let's proceed with our introduction first. I shall mail you all these notes today. Make sure We go through it carefully every day for every class. If possible, take a print copy of the notes. And next 10 concepts notes will be sent in advance, single mail. Better you take print copies of it. Let's get started. The first item, what is database? A platform to store any type of data, any amount of data, fully secured, well organized. There are 4 types of databases: OLTP, live online transaction processing database, to store live data, real-time data like live temperature. Data warehouse, DWH, to store old historical data like past temperature data. OLAP, online analytical processing database, for predictions and forecast, like for example weather forecasts. And HTAP databases, hybrid transactional analytical processing database, for live forecasts as well as predictive analysis. Both HTAP includes live as well as history as well as analytics. I say all three: OLTP plus data warehouse plus OLAP together is equal to HTAP. For example, a Google map, we see live tracking, OLTP. Past navigations, data warehouse. ETA, expected time of arrival, forecast, live forecast, that is called STAP databases. Our job roles: SQL developers will be involved in design of SQL developers will be involved in design of OLTP databases, and data engineers involved in design of data warehouse databases. In this process, we have something called cloud computing technologies like Spark and ETL, extract, transform, load, ETL tools like Data Factory and Databricks in data engineering. Then we have data analysts, responsible to design reports and dashboards. And DBA, starter level management of OLTP databases, experience level management of data warehouse databases, also called ETL admin. And Microsoft certification exam DP300. Now, how developers, engineers, analysts, and admins do their activities? Yes, using something called SQL, a communication platform to operate on any database. A communication platform to operate on any database, we have SQL. MS SQL, a variant of SQL also called TSQL, Transact SQL, to store, manage, and maintain Microsoft databases. Any database, SQL. Exclusively Microsoft database, TSQL or MS SQL. You asked me the difference between iPhone and mobile. We say iPhone is a brand of mobile. Windows is a brand of OS. Same way, MS SQL is a brand of SQL. Today, let's do the installation now. Then we'll proceed for the SQL concepts from tomorrow. After about 50 examples on SQL, we'll proceed for MS SQL slowly, step by step. And here is a small diagram. We are going to have SQL first to talk to database. Then step into MS SQL or TSQL to house your database. To store your database, we need a software called DBMS, Database Management System. It's a software to design, manage, administer the databases like OLTP, Data Warehouse, OLAP, and HTAP databases, 4 database types. One such software from Microsoft SQL Server. Easy, friendly user interface. Very easy, very friendly interface. We'll see how easy it is to install SQL Server today. Versions of SQL Server 2022, latest version 2019, 17, 16, etc. There are different versions of SQL Server here. And we are going to have 2022 latest version. Editions of SQL Server like Developer, Evaluation, Express. These are the free demo pieces or free editions. Okay, these are the free editions. Okay, next. In real world, we use enterprise, data center, and standard editions. For these editions, pricing is involved. Let's have developer edition to be installed in your computers. We have our online server with enterprise official licensed copy, valid licensed copy. You'll be having access to our online server. So you'll be using your trial edition, say lifelong free edition in your local computer. You'll also have access to our online server, enterprise copy. To start with our classes from today, we'll start from the very basics anyway. So no extra prerequisites except Windows. Windows 8 or higher is required. If you are using Mac, please enable please enable a Windows inside your Mac or install any VM like Parallels. Material, assignments, I will take care. Resume, I will take care. On-time practice and response in the class, I want you to take care, please. Let's get started now with our installation process. Let's do it slowly, step by step. Come on, what are the keywords we learned so far now? Yes, please. What are the keywords we learned so far? Number one, we learned what is database, right? Next, come on, next, what else we learned, please?
DBMS.
What are types of databases? Okay. Number three, what are the job roles? Come on, what are the job roles? SQL developers, data engineers, and data analysts
SQL DBA.
and database admins. Any project has all these 4 different teams. In addition to a dedicated DevOps team, separate DevOps team. SQL developers, what they do? Design of OLTP databases. OLTP, data warehouse, HTAP, and OLAP, right? HTAP. And data engineers.
ETL
Design
Admin.
of data warehouse databases using ETL tools, using TSQL programming. And same way, data analysts, design of reports, Here comes Power BI tools and other tools. Database administration, management of OLTP and data warehouse databases. We have someone called BI developers, design of OLAP and HTAP databases. Next. Every project usually have first 4 job roles, first 4 teams. If it is a bigger project, they have dedicated BI developers also. OLAP and HTAP are costly affairs. They are costly. And not every project has these teams. Only based on the client budget, project revenue, and the complexity of the project, these teams may exist. BI developer teams. Next, number 4, we learned what is DBMS. Number 5, we learned what is SQL Server. Number 6, we learned what are the versions of SQL Server. Come on, please. What are the versions of SQL Server?
2022.
Yes, please, I'll wait.
2016.
2017.
2020.
2017, 2016, 2019, 2022.
Shiv Patel, please make sure there is no duplicate login, please. Shiv Patel, please. Let's continue. Yes, versions. And then what are the editions of SQL Server? We have developer, evaluation, express edition, plus
Enterprise.
exactly enterprise, data center, so on. To make it clear, I'll write SQL Server 2022, 2019, okay, 2017, 2016, etc. Coming to editions, we have developer edition, evaluation edition, and these 2 are free. Express is very basics, mainly for students and academic learning, university and colleges. Express edition won't support our course. And we have something called data center, enterprise edition, standard edition, etc. From here, our next step now. What are the prerequisites for SQL Server installation? Here it is. Windows 8 or higher and 6 gig RAM. Any processor will work. Next, last item now. How to configure SQL Server in our local computers. In my case, I will be using Windows Server operating system. with Enterprise Edition from next week, the moment we start MS SQL. In production, we always have Windows Server OS. For our practice, your regular local Windows 8 or higher should be fine. How to configure? Step number 1, install SQL Server. Step number 2, install a tool called SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, remember this is called SSMS tool. And step number 3, test the connection to server from the tool. What is this? Very simple. This is like a website. Okay, this is like a browser. And what you do? Connect to website from browser. That's it. Are we getting some idea, please? I'll wait. We'll start now. Are we getting some idea, please? We'll start our session now. We'll do.
Yes, we are getting.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Let's get started now. Let's understand slowly how to proceed with it. What is it? We need to install SQL Server first. Once we do installation of SQL Server, then we'll proceed for tool installation, SSMS tool installation. Then we'll have the test connections. Okay, here we go. Very simple and straight. Let's observe it carefully. Just wait. Okay, please wait. Okay, what we do? Firstly, server installation. I'll provide you the required download link. Here is our website. You'll be downloading the things later after the class. Please stay tuned. SQLschool.com downloads. I shall provide you this particular notes, the one I'm composing right now, and the documents, introduction and installation documents. Let's have a small preview of the installation journey. Then we'll do the actual installation. Firstly, install SQL Server to store databases. Then install SSMS tool, browser, to develop and manage databases. So, like a browser used to connect to a website, tool to connect to a server. Let's see the operating system requirements. Here it is. Let's go for 2022. You have Windows 8 or higher, 6 gig RAM, 10 gig disk space. How to do the installation? Firstly, we download this software, extract this software, we double click on the setup file. Then installation left, new installation right. Installation left, new installation right. Once we have this new installation, then next step, accept licensing terms. We'll do one by one anyway. Let me make it clear. Accept licensing terms. Database engine. Purpose of database engine to support OLTP. What is this OLTP? The first database type, OLTP. So during installation of SQL Server, We'll select OLTP for today. Later, if required, you'll select other things like OLAP and etc. For today, it will be OLTP component will be installing. Provide the installation name, admin name, install. Only 7 screens. You'll be receiving the complete notes anyway. I'll repeat. Extract. Double click the setup file. Installation left, new installation right. Then accept licensing terms, database engine, accept licensing terms, database engine. Once we have this database engine, next installation name, admin name. Only 3 steps. 7 screens, 3 steps. First step, database engine. Second step, installation name. Third step, admin name. Database engine, installation name, admin name, directly install. Let's see how it is. What is that again? I'll show you the installation process. First, download, extract. Next. Database engine.
Setup.
Yes, database engine. Installation name, admin name, install. Let's do it carefully. Just to save time, I got my software downloaded and here it is. You'll have a file like this. The download file will be in this way. What we do, let's see. Our requirement. One need to right click. We need to right click extract. Okay, we need to right click and extract. Once we right click extract, next. We need to right click extract. Okay, then we get a folder like this. Double click on the setup file. Double click on the setup file. Okay, this one. Right click extract, double click on setup file. We get installation center. Please, do you remember what we have to do here? I was showing you the screens few minutes back. Please, what we need to do? Fine. Installation left, new installation right. Okay. Installation left, new installation right. Click. Installation left, new installation right. Whenever required, you may refer to the screens from the notes. Installation left, new installation right. So download, extract, double click setup file. You'll do this after the class today. Please stay tuned. Try to do it yourself without referring to the notes. If it is really required, then refer to the notes. Next. It's all next only. Let's wait for some time. It will prompt you for the first input. Database engine. We'll go for questions in next 10 minutes. Next. Select evaluation 6 months trial 180 days. Developer lifelong free. Select developer next. Accept licensing terms next. Uncheck Azure. If it is prompted, you uncheck. If it is not prompted, no problem. Just next. Come on, what we have to select here? You remember, please? OLAP, right? OLTP, data warehouse, different database types are there. What we need to select? Database engine. Yes, everyone, please. You remember? Everyone, please. I'll wait. Everyone, you remember, please? I'll wait.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Fine. Yep.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Yep. Let's continue. So select the database engine. Okay. Select database engine. Next. Just wait for a few moments, please. Please wait for a few moments. Yes, let's continue. Select database engine and next. Database engine takes 994 MB space from your disk. Default installation C drive, leave it as it is. Installation name, I mean your server name. I'll say, for example, SQL School Server. Give some name, any name is fine. Say server 1. Server 2 will be our online server for your case studies and project submissions for our resume. Licensed copy. For now, a trial copy. Give some name. We get one ID automatically. Give a name, you get the ID automatically. Next. Say next. Let's wait for some time. Last final step. Say next. I said admin name. Add current user as admin. So database engine, installation name, admin name. Observe carefully. Database engine, installation name, admin name. Okay, next. With this information, say next and install. Click on install. I'll wait. I'll just cancel it. Okay, I'll repeat it. I'll show you now. Let me just recap once again. See here, download, extract, double click setup file. Installation left, new installation right. Accept licensing terms, uncheck Azure if prompted. If it is prompted, okay, then you uncheck Azure. Select database engine. Next, installation name, admin name. Then directly install. Let me show you again. Firstly, you download the software from the link. I'll be sending it in the notes today. Then right click, extract. You get a folder. Double click on the setup green icon. Please try to install it yourself without referring to the notes, if possible. Give a try. We are learning for ourselves. Come on, what next, please? Please, what next?
Site installation.
Installation settings.
Installation and new installation.
Yes. So here it is. We need to have left side installation, right? Left side installation. This one. Then what next, please? What next?
New installation.
New set.
Exactly. New installation, right? Installation left, new installation right. Dilip, please check your mic, sir, please. Yeah. Installation left, new installation right. Let's wait for some time. Once we have the new installation, next, we get this screen, say next. From here, you will be guiding me now. Let's wait for a few moments. We need to get the next screen. In the meantime, assume SQL Server is our house. Okay, SQL Server is our house. And in next few screens, we see installation name. That is like our house number, the postal address house number. Last screen we have admin name. That is like house owner. Simple. House number, house owner. Let's understand other options slowly in next few minutes. Hope you are writing your observation notes. A quick shorthand observation notes will surely help us. During your installation, any warnings, ignore. We'll address them later. Ignore them. Next. Perform new installation. Next. Select developer edition. Next. Ignore warnings. Select developer and next. Accept licensing terms. Next. Don't say next here. Come on, how to address this problem, please? How to resolve this problem, please? I'll wait, please. How to resolve it?
Check the Azure
Azure
extension.
extension.
SQL Server.
Exactly. We have to uncheck Azure, right? Here it is. We need to uncheck Azure. So here we go. Uncheck Azure. Uncheck Azure. Next. And here what we do? Database engine. Next. Select database engine and next. Let's wait. Select database engine and next. Let's wait for some time. Few participants logged in from their mobile today. Please use desktop or laptop from tomorrow. Please help me. Provide the required server name. I'll say, for example, SQL School Server 1, your local server, and next. You can choose the default. Default means server name will be coming up automatically called MS SQL Server. Automatically the name would be printed as MS SQL Server. Or you give your own name, say SQL School Server 1. Server 2 will be your online server. For now, give some name, next, give some name, and next. Here, very important. For our easy learning, I just said add current user and next. That is okay. For our practice classes, we need one extra setting. SQL Server is my house. Authentication means gate. I remember my childhood, my grandma's house in the village. I used to go there during my holidays. 2 gates, front gate, village, okay? Front gate, watchman, dream house. Back gate, watchman name is SA. I repeat, SQL Server is our house. And we can have only one gate, Windows authentication, one entry point. Or we can enable second gate also. Front gate is anyway there. Windows authentication is mandatory. Back gate or the side gate authentication. That back gate has a watchman name called SA. System Administrator. That watchman has a key called password. Give the password here. Now the question. What about the front gate? Who is the watchman? My currently logged in user, Windows user. I currently logged in using a user called SQL_school user. This one, this is the username. That same SQL school user is coming here. My Windows user has a password. That password is a key here. If your currently logged in Windows username does not have any password, no problem. Not mandatory. So 2 gates, 2 watchmen. SQL authentication, side gate. Has one admin name called SA, System Administrator. Provide some password. Any password is okay, no problem. Windows authentication, add current user as Windows admin. Means we are configuring 2 admins on our server for our next classes. I repeat again. Previous screen, admin, say server name, okay? Before that previous screen, database engine. So get the database engine for OLTP. I'm just taking you back to the previous screen. We'll go for questions in next 2 minutes. I just click back. Database engine, first input. So far it is next only. Second input. Second input. Let's wait. Let's wait for some time. First input database engine. Okay. Second input installation name. We'll talk more about these 2 differences tomorrow's class. First few minutes. We'll take them tomorrow. I'll provide you the notes in advance. We'll talk about the differences tomorrow. I'll provide you the notes today. Next, mixed mode means Windows and SQL, both authentications are involved. Both authentications are involved here. Observe carefully. Next, SQL and Windows. SQL has admin called SA with password. Any password of your choice. Windows authentication, add current user as admin. You may add other users also. For now, add current user and next. Any questions here in authentication, let me know, please. I'll wait. Please, any questions in authentication, please. I'll wait.
No, sir.
Sir, I have a question.
Tell me, Arif, please.
In which scenario do you use the Windows authentication
Yeah,
mode?
we'll see, sir. We'll see with examples, sir. Yeah.
Okay.
Let's start
And the
our
other question was, which one is more secure?
We'll see, sir. We'll see one by one. Let's
No.
practice both. Okay. Yeah. I understand. I understand from your questions that you already have knowledge on SQL, but others are very, very new. We'll go slowly. From your questions, I can
So I
sense it.
never worked on SQL. I have knowledge in Oracle, so I'm thinking in regard of
Okay.
that.
I understand, sir. Yeah, got it. Yeah. Yeah, Oracle SQL. Now I got it. Sure, sir. We'll do one by one. Okay. Give me time. We'll do. Yeah. Let's have both. Let's have both. Let's practice both. And I will make you give answer to your question with our examples. My duty. I'll do. Next question, please. Others, I'll wait. Yeah. Fine. Other things, leave it to me. Okay. Other things, leave it to me. Whatever notes you'll be receiving today, that notes includes other things like differences between the instances, file stream, system databases, these things. Okay. We'll take them slowly tomorrow. For today, I request you to first complete the installation. Next, what is that again? Database engine, installation name. See here, database engine, installation name, and add current user as admin. Install. That's it. Easy? Easy or not? Installation. Please, easy or not?
Yeah. Yes, it is.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Thank you, attendees have been responsive. For last 30 minutes, of course, we started 40 minutes back. Last 30 minutes, I'm carefully documenting the emails of the participants who are responsive for my questions, because I want to give them something more than the notes today. And it counts every day. I was telling the same starting of the class today, friends. We respond more, we get more every day. I'll do my duty. Hope you got what I mean. I'll do my duty. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Let's do it carefully, okay? I mean it. Yes, attendees who are responding more, they'll always get more and more. I do more, I get more, right? As simple as that. So we have additional practice activities for the participants who are responding more. We'll start it from today itself. Others, better luck tomorrow. You hearing it right. I do the same thing. Not only for SQL, for every course, any course, I do the same. We do more, we get more. We do more, we get more. I need to make sure we are involved in the class. That's my duty. And let's learn step by step. We enjoy it. Let's installation go on. It will take about 30 seconds to 90 seconds. 30 to 90 seconds in between. Once your installation of the server is complete, we need to have something called tool installation. This one. Tool installation, straightforward. You download, okay, download and install. That's it. You are done. From where you download, go to our website. Go to our website sqlschool.com/downloads. This is the one you'll download 2022 server. This is the one you'll download tool. Okay, download the tool. Once you download the server and the tool, you install the server first, install tool next. Click on this SSMS 2022 download. Once you click on this download, then we get the software like this one. Double click and start the tool also, installation of the tool like this. No extract, nothing. My server is ready, my tool is getting installed. And once it is done, it will ask you to restart your computer. Once installation is complete for the server and the tool, you get a prompt to restart our computer. Once we restart the computer, we are ready for tomorrow's class, testing the installation. We are ready for tomorrow's class, testing the installation. And once we test the installation, then we need to slowly do the leftover items of installation theoretical activities. We'll do it and then proceed for the actual practice. We'll stop for now. You do only server installation, tool installation today. Okay. Then once we are done with the server and tool installation, your next step, actual practice elements, we'll do it from tomorrow. We'll do slowly step by step. Please wait. Let me just make sure. I'll provide you the complete notes on email. Yes, one note sent just now for everyone. Kindly check. I'll wait. I understand we are all very, very new to the subject. Hence, we are starting from the very basics carefully. Need your support. We did these items today. And here we are right now. From here, step 3 will continue from tomorrow's class. We'll do carefully. Over to you now. Any questions, please let me know. I shall wait. Email sent just now, friends. Please check it. I'll wait. Email sent with total of 3 attachments, everyone. Kindly check, please. I'll wait. Email sent. Please check. Need your support. On-time practice required from tomorrow. Over to you now. Might be on the way, sir. I'll wait for some time. Might be on the way. I'll wait. Let's wait.
I have questions, sir.
Tell me, sir, please.
Yeah. Just I would like to ask you. You have downloaded the SQL Server Management Studio from the SQL School website, right? So just I want to ask you, is there any like official link to download or install SQL Server and
This one. It's from
Yeah,
Microsoft site only. This from Microsoft site.
Okay, this is the Microsoft site only, sqlschool.com.
No. The link available in the download is from Microsoft. This one.
Okay. You have added in SQL School. Okay, sir.
Exactly. For easy access. That's it.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you. Got it.
Fine, sir.
Yeah, email received, sir.
Got the mail,
Fine,
sir.
sister. Fine, sister. Others, please check it, friends. I'll wait.
Got the mail, sir.
I'm
Got
checking,
my
sir,
email.
just-
Got the mail.
Got the email too.
Fine. Need your support. Please make sure.
Yeah,
Sure.
got email, sir. Got, sir.
Fine, sir. Fine.
Sir, not
Need your
received.
Sir, I have doubt.
Make sure we do on-time practice. Assignment, I'll be sending separate mail for everyone. Okay, I'll do. Tell me, sir. Tell me your doubt, please. I'll wait. I'll wait. Tell me your doubt.
After installation, so which topic will start from tomorrow sessions?
I think you joined a bit late today. Anyway, hope you got the course curriculum. If not, please
Okay.
get it from our website. After installation, we are going to have SQL basics tomorrow. Once again,
Okay.
here it is. We'll start with SQL basics tomorrow, and then next level basics, then Excel
Not receive my
imports,
mail.
schemas, so on. So next few concepts, next 8 concepts prints will be provided today for everyone. Take print copies so that we are having the notes with us ready. Yes, will do. You'll be receiving this print copy notes from our team after enrollment.
Okay.
I have a question.
Yeah, please tell me.
When we are configuring DB engine configuration, you asked us to add correct user for Windows
Yes.
authentication, right?
Yes,
So
madam.
I did that. At first initial step, you said that just add Windows authentication. Later, I already clicked my install to install only
Okay.
Windows. Is there a way that I can edit?
I'll guide you, madam. I'll guide you how to add the other one also to your existing installation. I'll
Yes,
guide you everyone tomorrow anyway. I'll do. No problem. Okay, will do. Just
okay,
for
and
now, leave it as it is. Fine. No problem at all. Absolutely fine for now. No issues.
okay, thank you.
Yep. Next question, please. I'll wait. Fine. We'll stop for now. Thank you. It has been responsive. Really appreciate. Need your support. I do more, I get more. You do more, you get more. As simple as that. Let's understand the fact. So course curriculum and notes common for everyone. Again and again I was repeating, friends. I mean it. Participants who respond more, love more the subject will always get more and more. I love my subject. Thank you. Signing off. Meeting tomorrow sharp 6:15 a.m. India
Thank you.
time, just like today.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you,
And you have
sir.
my
Thank you.
Thank
WhatsApp
you,
number.
sir.
If
Thank you.
Thank you,
stuck
sir.
anywhere in installation, hope you have my WhatsApp number. Please, everyone, please. I'll wait.
Yes, sir. We have.
Yeah, we do have
Yes.
it.
Yes, sir. We.
Yes.
Perfect,
Yes.
perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yep.
Thank
Have a
you.
nice time. Thank you. Yep.
Thank
Thank
you.
you,
Have a
sir.
nice day. Bye bye, sir.